I use OpenGL Programming Guide 9th edition. This book, also OpenGL SuperBible 7th edition. This book, also OpenGL for Shading Language Cookbook 3rd edition. I use these books to learn OpenGL. Each of these books provides math library. Also, this book provides math library. In case of this book, it uses glM math library. Mathematically, the math libraries are equivalent, but these math libraries are a little bit different from each other. In this episode, we will learn math library provided by OpenGL SuperBible 7th edition. Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is October 15th, 2022. This is my 108th episode for C++ 17 2023 CUDA SQL OpenGL DBB. This is third episode for OpenGL matrix handling. We will learn OpenGL SuperBible math library. We will also learn how to retrieve OpenGL Viewport state. If you scroll down, you can find our previous episode playlist. If you haven't watched episode 107 OpenGL Matrix Handling 2, please double-click this link. My current session continues from my previous episode, episode 107 OpenGL Matrix Handling 2. Click Show More. You can download current video source code. Please click this link. Show in folder, unzip it, rename it 108. Now copy, paste it in your working directory. In this folder, open up Solution OpenGL Songs. Solution Explorer, source files, source.cpp. We created this program in our previous episode through episode 104 up to episode 107. Now press Ctrl F5. It should build and run successfully. Now close it. Close it. In this episode, we will create the same program using OpenGL SuperBible 7th edition math library. Right-click, Add New Project. Select OpenGL SuperBible 7, this template. Click Next. Accept default project name. Click Create. Right-click, Set as Startup Project. Press Ctrl F5. It should build and run successfully. Now close it. Close it. From File Explorer, CPP 17 2023, folder 108, OpenGL Songs. OpenGL Programming Guide 91. We will copy two files, cube fragment, cube vertex. Go up, OpenGL SuperBible 71. Paste it here. Begin Visual Studio. Right-click, Add Existing Item. Go up, OpenGL SuperBible 71. We will add two files. I will open this source file. From source files, source.cpp, I will arrange side by side. From this file, in the private section, I will copy this. Copy paste it here. Now I will auto hide. Scroll down. In this function, initialize. Copy from here up to here. Copy, paste it in the function startup. Scroll up. Here we will remove this part. Then create program. We pass cube vertex. Copy, paste cube fragment. We will build this program. Control F5. It should build and run successfully. Now close it. In this file, disable display, we will copy from here up to this point. Copy in the function render, paste. Now F-time is not supported. Copy current time, paste. The unit of current time is second. We will multiply 50. We assume angle is in degrees. We do not have this function. Instead, we use Frustum like this. I will fix the code like this. Now I will delete this comment. Here, vmath translate. I fixed this part. Also, vmath scale. I will delete the comment. Here, vmath rotate. We pass angle, then vmath back 3, 0.0 f, 1.0 f, 0.0 f. We fix our code like this. Copy, paste. Now it should be 0.0 f, 1.0 f. I would fix our code like this. Now press Ctrl F5. It does not work. Now close it. This projection matrix from vmath Frustum returns column measure matrix. vmass matrix functions return column major matrix. So we should provide false. Projection matrix is already column major matrix. In the same manner, it should be false. I will fix like this. Now press Ctrl F5. It should build and run successfully, but there is some slight problem. Now close it. Close it. Control Home. Right click. Go to Definition. In this function, we have to find onResize function. Copy. In this file once again. Here. Paste. We will override. I would say width, height. Now here, if width greater than height, GL viewport width minus height over 2 0 height else copy this, paste. It should be 0 height minus width, then width. We have to remove this one. Now here SB7 application on resize with height. Now press Ctrl F5. It still does not work initially. If we resize, it works correctly. Now close it. We need to call this function at least once. To do that, here int viewport size. It is an array with 4 elements. GL get integer v GL viewport. We can retrieve viewport size like this. Then on resize, we pass viewport size to viewport size 3. Now press Ctrl F5. Now it works correctly. You can resize. It always works correctly. Now close it. For more information about GL Viewport, copy, search for GL Viewport or GL Viewport. Please read documentation here. We used GL get by passing GL Viewport. Control Home. I will copy this link for your reference. Also, GL get function, GL get this documentation. You can find GL get integer v. P name means parameter name. I would highly recommend you to read this documentation. For example, GL Viewport. This part explains the details. I will copy this function name, paste it here, also the link. Finally, press Ctrl F5. It now works perfectly.